Welcome to the World United. Welcome to the World United.
Speaker next is Sun Yogi Uma Shankar, adept in Sun Yoga. He's going to talk about benefits of Sun Yoga with us. Please, sir.
सर्वेषां स्वस्तिर्भवतु सर्वेषां शान्तिर्भवतु सर्वेषां पूर्णं भवतु सर्वेषां मङ्गलं भवतु सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनो सर्वे सन्तु निरामया सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत्। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। My dear universal brothers and sisters, it's a good opportunity Dr. Jugandhar ji has arranged as a Mahakumbh. What we are now going to be Allahabad, really it is he brings Allahabad to here. So Allahabad also we cannot get that much, all the great masters in ourselves together and to share their few knowledge. Though time is very limited, but still he has arranged very nice program. So this is my heartiest means to the Dr. Jugandhar and dear Karthikeyan ji has arranged for that. So time is very short. This is Sun, and the Sun Yoga is how to save the oneness and the Mother Earth and the universe. Yes, yoga is the union soul to supreme soul, inner cosmos to universal cosmos, inner nature to universal nature. Through the sun, we can receive sun cosmic energy through the pineal gland. Just we have to look from the center point of eyebrow to few inches above the sun and getting the sun cosmic energy, and it will goes to the cerebrum. There will be metabolism, 5 element energy. And that 5 element energy goes to the brain and it comes to each and every cells and each and every organs. Which cells or which organs has imbalance of which element, only that element energy will reach to each and every cells and we can get cured all kinds of diseases, even cancers, blood cancers, last stage also we got cured, liver cancer, lungs cancer, AIDS. Many kinds of experiments has been done through the sun meditation. Sun cosmic energy, we are getting that what cancer, we are giving the chemo, that is also sunlight. Here directly we are giving chemo, directly there will be no cell damage and we can get over all the diseases. So we can protect our oneself, then we are, oneself is the unit of the family. Family is the unit of the nation. Nation is the unit of the nature. Nature is the earth, the sun, the galaxy and the universe. So if oneself we can get benefit, then spontaneously family, nature, nation and our earth, mother earth and mother universe could be protected. Son. So this is the Babaji's blessings. Who is the founder of this? Actually, he has taught me in Pondicherry Aurobindo Ashram when I was there, 1995. See, there is the ability. We can get this type of ability. We can stay in the snow. We can stay in the fire. We can stay in the everywhere. Our body will be adjust with the cosmic energy. So that cosmic energy can give us ability. See that looking how they are the sun. 3 million people all over the world practicing. There is that Serbia people are practicing. German, Iran and India, Adoni, there was a lot of people together, they were practicing. Yoga is a connection between soul to supreme soul, inner cosmos to universal cosmos, inner nature to universal nature. And this is the in and out balance. That is the yoga. Yoga is not a one posture, but when you are looking the sun or when you are doing the pranayama or any sitting way. No, yoga is the whole life. We never got disconnected. We are always connected with the cosmic energy, and just by awareness we got disconnected. We have to expand our awareness, then we are on the yoga, we will feel we are in the yoga. Cosmic energy converted to the photon energy, then photon energy to the atom energy, then atom to molecule, the molecules becomes the air element, then air element becomes to the water element, and then water elements becomes to the earth element. Then we got the life. So that means we connected with the cosmic energy. Not a single small, not a single moment we are disconnected. We are always there, but awareness has disconnected. So our awareness has to be expanded from the life force to the cosmic consciousness, and that called the yoga, and then it will be get the solution. There is an element ratio, that all the elements what we got is the greatness of the Mahavatar Babaji. 2007, when I was the Himalayas in Tapovan is above the Gomukh, and where Babaji has appeared through the light, and he has given me all the direction how life was created in the mother's womb. And there what was the ratio? That earth ratio is 1, water ratio is 3, air element ratio is 9, fire element ratio is 29, and space element ratio is 81. That is the scientific ratio, 3 to the power 1, 0, 3 to the power 1, 3 to the power 2, 3 to the power 3, and 3 to the power 4. So that's why our bodies are made from the 5 elements. See that sun is our nearest energy. Sun is not ultimate energy, but sun is the nearest energy for the earthly living being. Through the sun, when we are through the pineal gland, we are receiving then space element, fire element, air element, water element, and earth element. All we can get, and we can make the metabolism 5 element, and life, and then when we can get the connection, then it called the realization, then circuit will be completed, then our energy will be continue, and then we will be on the connection with the yoga, light and cosmic consciousness. And there is a ability we can, I do like and enjoy it. Do you like to that? Yes, that brain, how we are getting that. When you are looking the sun and cosmic energy, then this is the pineal gland. And then this is the pineal gland, and they are getting the cosmic energy here, cerebellum. Here will be metabolism, and then goes to the 2% of our brain, and from there it is coming to each our cell, and that's why we are getting directly healing from the sun, and directly getting chemo directly from the sun. And so that's why physical, mental, vital, spiritual, emotional, economical, psychological, all kinds of imbalance are imbalance of the 5 elements. We can balance and it can be solved. And there is not only 7 chakras. In our bodies, 29 chakras are there. It's Babaji's grace. When 2008 Babaji was appeared, then my body was started expanding. It is grace of Babaji, I could not. He make me that experience. So that's why it was plus 14 and minus 14 chakras. So body inside 7 chakras, and above the Sahasrara chakras there is 11 more chakras, which is the 7 layer of the atmosphere 7, and 7 layer of the earth 7, and another sun, moon, and the galaxy, molecular satellite and universe and the atomic satellite. Means our macrocosm and microcosm. Science has reached their macrocosm and microcosm, but there is missing only one thing, that is the middle cosm, that is the life. Science is not researching the life, and they are just taking out, and others they are going to others. So that's why microcosm and macrocosm they reach, but they are losing only the feeling, that feelings could come from the life. So there is a 13 generations are coming after the human. So that is waiting, and today we are afraid that today is 21st of December, everybody we are afraid, but it may or may not, but it is very soon on that stage. 95% life has to be destroyed and 5% people will be alive, and then will be new generation creation, and that new generations are 13 generations are waiting. So there is the grace of Mahatar Babaji, great law, what Einstein are equal to MC square, that Babaji has shown me. There is how the creation was started from the black hole of the universe. There is the MC square into V square into 1 by D square equal to P, and that ratio will come MC square into V1 square into D2 square equal to MC square into V2 square into D1 square equal to P, and that is the creation law of the universe. So there we know that sun has a 9 planet, but Babaji shown me there is a 12 planets are inside the sun, that sun family, in the sun family. And after that we know moon is the satellite, but moon has also moon which called molecular satellite, which is not got discovered now till. And there is a molecular satellite also has a satellite which called atomic satellite, which is surrounding the molecular satellite. So that's why 7 steps are there. Black hole of the universe, black hole of the galaxy, black hole of the sun, black hole of the earth, black hole of the moon, black hole of the molecular satellite, and black hole of the atomic satellite. They are the 7, are our 7 chakras. This is the black hole of the universe, this is the black hole of galaxy, this is the black hole of the sun, this is the black hole of the earth, this is the black hole of the moon, black hole of the molecular satellite, and Muladhara chakras is the black hole of the atomic satellite. Thank you. We are going to publish the same book which here is given very nicely, and that is the essence of Sanyoga. I am requesting to dear Karthikeyan ji and Dr. Yugandhar ji, please come, time is very short, we can quickly publish that book if possible. Is it possible? Yeah, now? Yes, book is ready. Please. Thank you.
Sir, please be seated. To felicitate the speakers on stage, may I call upon Dr. Shah to be onto the dais. Please, sir. Thank you, sir.
The beautiful revised edited version of Sanyoga is getting launched.
भवामहे कविं कवीनामुपमश्रवस्तमम् ज्येष्ठराजं ब्रह्म गणपतिं भवामहे कविं कवीनामुपमश्रवस्तमम् ज्येष्ठराजं ब्रह्मणां ब्रह्मणस्पत आनुशृण्वन्नोतिभिः सीदसादनम् निःशुषीद गणपते गणेषु त्वामाहुर्विप्रातमं कवीनाम् न हृदेत्वक्रीयते किञ्चनादे महामर्कं माधवं चित्रवच्च ॐ श्रीमहागणाधिपतये नमः तन्नो देवी सरस्वती वाजेवती दीनामाभिद्र्यावतो ॐ श्रीमहासरस्वत्यै नमः वेदपातस्य वर्धनिपुरोर्विश्वस्य बृहतः वेदाये अध्यासते ॐ श्रीवेदपुरुषाय नमः
सुमन्तं चित्रं गाभं संगृह्य विमात्रमवोभिः न हित्वा सोददेवानमर्ता सोदित्सन्तम् भीमन्नगां बालयन्ते एकोन्विन्द्रं स्तभामेशानं वस्वस्वराजम् न राधाशामर्धिषन्नः प्रस्तो भरदक्षिणेनाभिसव्येन प्रमृष इन्द्रमानो वसो निर्भागे उपक्रमश्वाभारधिषता धृष्णो जनानाम् अदासोष्टरस्य वेदाः इन्द्रयपुनुते अस्ति वाचो विप्रे दीनामभिद्र्याभतो ॐ श्रीमहासरस्वत्यै नमः।